for the operation. And so ultimately what's happening right now is that you see a lot of translations from very old networks, like I mentioned, Data Highway Plus. You have the elimination of DeviceNet, ControlNet, and migrating all of that onto Ethernet IP. And what's that causing is a lot of devices are hitting the switches either on the plant floor or the machine layer, and cause a lot of problems when it comes to those devices. So ultimately, let's discuss the next step. So now you have a machine connected to the switch. You can have another machine, right? So you can obviously have an array of different machines that are going to talk to that one common switch. And so at this point, you have a network of different PLCs you can remote into from, like I said, the terminals at the plant or from your house, for example, if you have a VPN, if you have a server. That's a whole other conversation. So the question that needs to be answered, so number one, how are you going to connect to those devices? Are you going to segment at the machine level and simply eliminate all of those IP addresses from the plant floor, and thus only allowing a connection to some of the specific devices? Typically it's going to be only PLCs and HMIs. Or are you going to allow every IO, every servo drive, every VFD to talk to the plant floor, thus allowing these people to communicate to all of them, but at the same time flooding the network? There's going to be a lot of conversations when you put, for example, a drive or even a vision systems on a plant network, how much traffic that's going to consume. And a lot of times, if it's not architected correctly, you can run into issues where, for example, safety systems are going to shut down if they don't have a heartbeat signal within a certain period of time.